To enable printing and scanning functionality for your HP printer on your Linux operating system, open Terminal and the following link. Use the following command to determine your Linux distribution. Then use this command to check if HP Linux Printing and Imaging System is installed on your system. To upgrade to the latest version, select your distro and click Download HPLIP. Once downloaded, place the file on your desktop. While in the desktop directory, use the sh command to execute the installation for HP Linux Printing and Imaging. Press Enter. Select Automatic Install Mode. Verify your Linux distribution. Enter your root password. Read installation notes, then press Enter. Select Yes. Select Yes again. Select Remove and Install. Check for updates. At this point, the installation was terminated because access to the network wireless printer was not available. Once access to the printer was available, HP setup was executed.